welcome to Sable at Navy Pier. So good to have you. Just gonna show you around the area here. Hotel in March of 2021, so it's a brand new build. It's the first and only hotel at Navy Pier. So you'll see as we go through the building, there's a lot of nautical themes throughout the property with the wood flooring. It's actually a one-sided hotel, so everything faces the lake. So you're guaranteed a waterfront view from every room in the hotel, all the event spaces, the restaurants. The location of the city, so we're a little off the downtown corridor here out on the pier. But it's such an easy location to get to via Lakeshore Drive. It's a nice straight shot down to McCormick Place in 10 minutes down there. It's for those people that want to get away a little quieter space, but still have all the amenities of Navy Pier. Because Navy Pier itself has tons of restaurants and bars throughout the whole property here. It's actually a half a mile long pier, so you got a lot of amenities just on the pier itself. And then real easy access to the rest of the city for getting off property as well.
So perfect for something to do when the show closes, for example.
For sure, absolutely. And you could always visit our, we have the world's largest rooftop bar at the end of the pier here called Offshore Rooftop, which is just such a unique space, and you can't beat the views out there. 223 total rooms in the hotel. It's basically made up of 2/3 king rooms and the rest are double queens. So nice thing is you'll never get a double here. It's always at least a king or a double queen in all the spaces. So and I like to say it's a high rise on its side. It's a 7-story building. Every single room faces the lake, so everyone's guaranteed a lakefront view. Every single room has floor-to-ceiling windows, so you do feel that resort feel while you're in the city here, which is nice. And it is amazing to wake up to the lake when you're, see the sun coming up and just looking down towards McCormick Place and the museum campus. It's just, one thing, what I love about this property, because Navy Pier itself has a ton of parking on site here, so guests staying at the hotel can either valet park their car at our front desk here, or they can self-park at the Navy Pier garages. So we have about 1,000 spaces here at Navy Pier for parking, so super convenient. And again, we're right off Lakeshore Drive, so it's an easy shot down to McCormick Place for anyone that wants to drive down there.
If you are interested in booking the Sable Hotel, go to IMTS.com and make your reservation today in our